This is our first loaf. It was a little bit flatter than the second loaf, but I thought I'd go ahead and slice it open just to see what it looks like on the inside with the crumb. So there's the crumb of the honey loaf. It actually looks better than I thought it would. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like honey and wheat. So this is the first loaf that we baked up. It didn't get as much oven spring as the second loaf because the second loaf I let it proof 20 minutes longer and I baked it in a hotter oven. But this one did pretty good too, and I'm really surprised. The dough itself felt kind of gooey and slack until the end, and then it started feeling nice and fluffy and beautiful. So I was really happy at the end. However, I just really felt yesterday that after bulk fermenting, I should have shaped and baked, because this morning the dough was really dense and heavy, and it was hard to get it to do a final proof. So next time I do this, I'm going to make sure the dough is bulk fermented and shaped and final proofed and baked on the same day, just to see if I get a nicer oven spring. But this looks like some really nice bread, fermented with just raw honey. Take care and everyone be well. So try it out.